Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and decision making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. NCB Financial Group Chairman Michael Lee Chin, speaking at the AGM held at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel, noted that the future of the financial group is in efficiency, governance, and customer experience. Lee Chin stated that that's the only way NCB can be sustainable long-term and continue to be relevant to customers and society. Recently, the financial group paid $94 million to pay down part of a larger debt to AIC bondholders, and also at the AGM declared a dividend of 50 cents, that is 50 Jamaican cents, to be paid out in March. Another highlight of the recently concluded annual general meeting, Lee Chin addressed multiple issues facing the financial group. These include the restrictive nature of the asset tax, and that he will continue as chairman and head of the group, and that capital for the group is the top priority. So too is creating wealth, with banking and insurance viewed as commodities to that end. And he also pointed a finger at the clandestine and devious actors that have engaged in stock manipulation of NCB shares. Lead broker NCB Capital Markets Limited advised that the Woodcats International Limited IPO and offer for sale closed ahead of schedule after being oversubscribed by 22.48%, surpassing a 750 million Jamaican dollar target. Due to strong investor demand, NCB Capital Markets Limited has advised that the offer closed early on February 11 instead of its original closing date. Woodcats will now submit its application to the JSE Listing Committee for junior market admission. The general public pool being oversubscribed will see applicants receiving the first 25,000 shares applied for, and then approximately 67.66% of the balance in excess of 25,000 shares. I quote, "The strong investor support of our IPO has been very encouraging," said Peter Douglas, General Manager of Woodcats International. And he continues, "It's a real vote of confidence in the work that we do and the direction we're heading. The funds raised will give us the room to modernize the way we operate, strengthen the systems behind our most in-demand products, and bring new ideas to life. It also enables us to step more confidently into at least 2 new Caribbean markets by the end of 2026. We thank investors for their confidence in the company, and we're looking forward to growing alongside our shareholders and continuing to deliver value to our partners," end quote. For the trading period of February 20, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited with 5,459,894 units, representing 20.70% of market sales activities. Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited Jamaican dollar shares with 4,307,054 units, representing 16.33% of market sales activity. Wigton Energy Limited shares with 2,851,788 units, representing 10.81% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in transportation, banking, and finance plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market, based on Bank of Jamaica data for February 20, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. In the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $156.74 and buying at $155.36. The Canadian dollar had moderate gains, supported by $7.15 transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $109.50 and was bought for $116.65. For the British pound, there was continued volatility, offering short-term trading opportunities of 82 cents in profits for the bank. The British pound sold for $210.98 and was bought for $210.16. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, many people don't realize that your credit report can be the starting point for building something as practical as a fleet of vehicles for a transportation, delivery, or rental business. Begin by reviewing your report to understand how lenders see your payment history, balances, and overall reliability. From there, outline your business plan, how the vehicles will earn income, expected cash flow, and how many units you plan to finance. When you approach financial institutions, they are usually looking for steady repayment habits, manageable existing debt, and some level of equity or deposit, and a clear plan showing the vehicle's revenue generation. When your credit story and business vision align, financing a fleet becomes much more achievable. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital, markets, and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.